I said so in the first day, but Jetli is an unknown factor in Amritsar. He's got nothing to do with Punjab. And why didn't he? It would have been easier for him had he fought Delhi, जहाँ रहा है, या गुजरात में लड़ पर. अब यहाँ आने का क्या फायदा है? सारे इलेक्शन तो अपनी जस्टिफिकेशन करता रहा कि मैं तो अमृतसर का हूँ, मैं तो अमृतसर का हूँ. So it hasn't helped.
The Aam Aadmi Party is leading on 4 seats, and in some of the seats, I mean, it looks like they will win. Do you believe Congress conceded the space of opposition to Aam Aadmi Party?
No, I think the Aam Aadmi Party is reacting to that Hazare movement, which is the issues which I've just mentioned to you, things like corruption and other things which came up, and I think people have given them the support for that.
ये जो हार हो रही है यहाँ पे, ये बीजेपी की हार है या अकाली दल की हार है अमृतसर के अंदर?
ये दोनों की हार है. एक दूसरे को तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं. यहाँ अमृतसर में तो दोनों ही हारे हैं.
जी. First of all, how do you see the lead? I mean, do you think it is coalescing into?
Well, after half the time, like for instance, East is over, and we are leading by 32,000. But there are some seats where, like Majita, only 4 rounds have taken place. So we have to see how it all goes.
Akali Dal was overly confident. They were saying that all Mr. Jaitley needs to do is just come, fill paper, and go back.
That was Akali Dal's fault, because Akali Dal should have known what to react. They are also getting disconnected from ground reality.
और आपको लगता है जेटली साहब ने एक गलत सीट चुन ली यहाँ पे आकर के?
उसको तो ले आया है बादल और मजीठा वगैरह. उनको ये कह के बस दस्तखत करके चले जाओ और हम जिता देंगे आपको. अब पता लग गया जेटली को.
We've seen the battle was really bitter. So finally, who's tasting the sweetness there?
Look, you can never fight a battle, number one, being on the defensive. I have been through the army too. So whether you see military or whether you see anything, you have to get on the offensive. And you got to put your opponent on the defensive. And we managed to do that here.